I had two main questions with this rolling grill basket. One, would it actually be less messy and require less constant flipping? And two, would it be really hard to clean once we had cooked? The short answer is food did not fall through the grates and it did require less flipping, but we made one really bad mistake along the way. What do we like? The rolling design actually did cook the food pretty evenly on all sides. It was really easy just to knock it back and forth across the grill. The stainless steel felt strong. It didn't seem like it was gonna break. It was really durable. And the wooden handles are really nice because everything gets super hot on the grill and the wood was more heat resistant. We were also super pleased with the amount of food we could cook. The large one is 12 inches long and the diameter is 4 inches. The smaller one is 10 inches with a 3.5-inch diameter, and we could cook an entire head of broccoli, of cauliflower, and a whole red onion with plenty of room to spare. And once we got to load them up, you just put the lid on the end, and then there's little holes where you slit the handle through. Both ends of the handle go through the holes to lock it in place. We learned our hard way a mistake about that though. While the devices are durable, they are not designed to shake vigorously. And in a moment of not thinking, he went to pick up the end of the little handle and burnt his finger. So remember, this is metal. It is super hot. Stick with the wood, not the metal.
I think this makes it so much easier than trying to cook them in aluminum foil or any other option. I mean, there are those pans, but honestly, I don't find them to cook consistently. This, with so much openness, I think a lot of heat's getting in. The heat doesn't get trapped in, which seems to be cooking it well. This one has been pretty consistently on the heat and it looks perfect. And this one is, because there's more in it, it's going to take a little bit longer. But again, don't shake it vigorously as the top came off. But when you just roll them gently, it works very well.
So positives, the grill basket really did combine the rolling even heat. It was durable with stainless steel. It was heat resistant with the wooden handle. The removable handle, just make sure you let it cool before you touch it because it is metal. We didn't have any issues whatsoever when we went to clean it up afterwards, and it was very enjoyable. Overall, the food turned out really, really well, and we're definitely going to use it again. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.